Hi, what's going on, guys? This is me, Anafan again, and welcome back to Learn Bangla with AP. So now we'll move to the next day in Bangla vocabulary series. In this video, we're gonna learn 12 daily Bangla words. So let's get started. So the first word for today's video is apnar, apnar, and how to write it. Apna means your in English. Alright, so let's move to the next word. Amar. Amar? How to write this? Amar means my. Let's move to the next word. Cha. Cha. How to write this? Cha. Cha. It means tea in English. Move to the next word. Na. Na. It means negative meaning, or it means no or not. Alright, let's move to another word, which is also very common word. Sorry. This word, sorry, it means sorry in English. Sorry. Now let's move to another word. Boy. 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 Boy means book in English. Alright, so let's move to another word here, guys, which is pretty much easy to write in Bangla. Gay. Gay. First, we're gonna go and write the ko. And it means who. Now the next word, kennel. Kennel. How to write it? This means why in English. Now let's move to another word. Pen. 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 This has the same meaning in English as well as the pronunciation of it. Move to the next word. Or. Or. And this means his in English. His in English. Now the next word is she. She. Now this one is she and it means he in English. Or and it can means she as well. Now let's move to another word and it will be the last word in this video as well. Ingrachi. Ingrachi. Which means Ingraji. Which also means English. Ingraji. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos later on. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.